This is why every Nigerian, every African should trade Forex trading. Look at this account. We're doing about $4,000 to about $13,000 in profits. Look at how we entered at Sniper. Now, that's not what I want to show you. Just have it in mind that you're seeing $13,000 in this one. Another account that I'm also trading, we're doing about $12,000. So now let's do the calculation together. $12,000 plus $13,000. That's a total of $25,000. If I try to do my P2P on Binance, I'm seeing that the Binance rate for Naira to dollar is about 1,475. So if we say 25 by 1,475, that's about 37 million Naira in just a single day. So all these rhetorics that Forex trading is scam, or even people that believe that synthetic indices is scam, because this is synthetic indices that I'm doing, it's not. In fact, this particular trade, this particular account that I'm managing for someone, the person funded the account today. This is 6th. And as you can see as well, today is 6th. So the person funded the account today and has already made ×2 of what they initially deposited on the accounts. And that's how crazy Forex trading is. Look at this other one as well. From $4,000 in Naira is about probably around 6 million to about $13,000. $13,000 in Naira should be around 26 million. You can see the crazy flipping. I don't think, or I believe, I'm very, very sure, no other skill in the entire Nigeria, in the entire Africa, gives such crazy money apart from Forex trading. This is why if you're doing Forex and you're hearing my voice or you're watching this video, this is your sign to get the right skill. This is the skill that separates you from the rest. Plenty of people believe that the skill doesn't exist or that it doesn't work. It works. But there's a reason why it's just the 1%, or let's say if there are 10 people if there are 100 people trading Forex in the world right now, there's a reason why it's just 10 out of those 100 that are actually making profit from it. If I look at this chart now, you can see that where we entered this point is at Sniper. Sniper meaning that the point we entered was when the market began to start selling, and that was exactly what happened. The points we entered was the points the market began to start selling, and we stay making profits. If you look at my charts, you would see that there are lots of analysis, lots of trend lines that are there. It is knowledge that differentiates you from the other person. People that Forex don't work for are probably people that didn't do it properly, that don't have the right knowledge or they don't have the right skill. And that is because it is very, 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 very time determinant. It needs your skill, it needs your time, it needs your energy, it needs plenty of things from you. So if you really want to do Forex, you must devote your time to it, to learn. If you don't learn it, it will be hard for you to scale through. Trust me. When I started, it was very, very hard until we got the right knowledge. So that knowledge is the most important thing, is what differentiates you from the other person. So if you're watching this video right now, this is your cue to do Forex. It won't cost you. Forex, this skill is mind-blowing. The money in this skill is mind-blowing. I'm telling you, the money in this skill is mind-blowing. And you can just make somebody's 24 years salary in a single day. 24 years, someone has been working, his gratuity, his pension, you will just make the money in a single day. And then if you're someone who has made crazy money, I know that there are people in diaspora, people in different parts of the world that have made money. And now you're looking for where to invest your money in. If you invest in real estate, it will take years before the real estate money comes to fruition. But if you invest with Forex, yes, the risk is there, but you are more likely to get your profit quicker and better, especially when you're doing it with us. I know people that have invested in stocks, different stocks, Nigerian, you've bought some shares in some companies, or you've done a lot of things. All of those things work. But when you're looking for something that will give you dividends fast, then you should do this that I'm about to tell you. The account management will lock you in. It's life-changing. Trust me when I say it's life-changing. You can see all of these things that you're seeing here are people who gave us their accounts and we're trading for, and we're making the money for them. So yeah, Forex is hard, but it is easy for people or for persons that have the right information and the right knowledge. So yeah, this lucky man. Let's make money. So follow me as I close this trade together. Let's close the trades together. Bulk operations 11k closed. Nice. Also this one, bulk operations $12,000 plus closed. Nice. Well milked, guys.